Looking for a convincing new way to tell your cat you love them? The answer may be as close as your own kitchen. Many of us are afraid to feed our feline friends anything that doesn't come from a large sack with a picture of a cat on it. Fear not, my friends. We will go over a list of foods that are more than safe for cats to consume, and that can give your cat a break from the standard grayish-brown, dry cat food. It's no secret that cats have nutritional needs that differ vastly than that of a human. However, here are some examples of foods that you probably already have at home that can be shared with your little companion. Cats are carnivores, meaning that they need meat in their diet in order to survive. So it is no surprise that meat is number on our list of treats approved for kitty consumption. Cats in the wild are pound for pound the most prolific predators. Left unattended, too many stray cats can decimate your local bird population. On the flip side, cats can provide invaluable pest control services. I'm pretty sure cats ended the bubonic plague by eating up all of the infected rats. The one thing those rats and birds had in common was that they were fresh kills. It is not recommended to give your cat raw meat from the grocery store. Meat from the grocery store died several days ago and has had time to accumulate and cultivate bacteria and viruses like salmonella. That is why it is important to thoroughly cook any meat you give your cat. Boiling, baking, and grilling are great options. Frying in oil is not preferred because an excess of oil in their diet can really chonk out your cat and is not good for longevity. You also want to avoid any seasonings, sauces, garlic, or onions because this can be too intense for their simple systems. Cats run on very little water, so it's also important to avoid salt when cooking for your cat to lower the risk of dehydration. Careful with the bones, too. Bones are a choking hazard, especially cooked chicken bones, which are at a higher risk of splintering. When it comes to kitty cuisine, the simpler, the better. You just want a plain, boneless hunk of meat, heated to a safe temperature. A cooked egg can be a good source of amino acids and B vitamins. You want to cook the egg for the same reasons you cook the meat. Better safe than sorry. For a creature with such a strong aversion to water, they have a surprising affinity for fish. Raw fish can contain an enzyme that destroys thiamine, which is an essential B vitamin. Low levels of thiamine can lead to neurological issues in your cat, so don't forget to burn that nasty enzyme away along with any other bacteria through proper cooking methods. Cut the fish into little pieces for easier consumption, and to ensure you remove all of the needle-like bones. Now for a less obvious snack option, spinach. Spinach contains vitamins A, C, and K, iron, and calcium. Many cat food and treat companies include spinach in their formula already, due to its massive health benefits. A cat, of course, runs on mostly meat, but a spinach leaf here and there can be an excellent nutrient booster. Please note, however, if your cat has a history of kidney stones, you should avoid too much spinach. Calcium oxalate, which is abundant in spinach, can aid in the production of those painful stones. Pumpkin is a wonderful source of fiber for cats. Fresh pumpkin is preferred to avoid any seasonings, salt, sugar, etc. That may be in the canned option. Some veterinarians have been known to prescribe pumpkin as a natural remedy for constipated cats. Fresh fruits are also a good option to nourish and hydrate your friend with fangs. Although this may not be your cat's first choice in snack, it can be very beneficial. Meat will always be the main staple of the feline diet, but some vegetation is necessary. As any human meat lover will tell you, a protein-forward diet can really block things up. The fiber from fruits can really assist in moving things along. Cantaloupe, watermelon, blueberries, strawberries, apples, and mangoes have high fiber and high water concentrations. This helps keep your pet hydrated and regular. The nutrients found in these foods can also help maintain eye and skin health. These creatures are designed to digest meat predominantly, though, so don't overdo it. Grapes and avocados should never be given to your cat as they have been proven toxic to felines. Rice is harmless to cats when thoroughly cooked and in small portions. To cats, rice holds no nutritional value. However, it is rich in soluble fiber, which can bind and stabilize bowel movements. If your cat is experiencing diarrhea, you can mix some rice in with your cat's food to help alleviate the symptoms. Carrots are a great source of vitamin A and magnesium. Carrots can help strengthen your cat's immune system and promote healthy skin. Another human food commonly found on the ingredient list of many a bag of commercial cat food is oatmeal. Compared to many other grains, oatmeal is pretty high in protein and nutritional value. It has a lot of the antioxidants and vitamins needed to promote your cat's longevity. Our last suggestion is bananas, literally. Bananas are safe and packed with fiber and potassium. However, like most of the items on this list, bananas should be enjoyed in moderation. Bananas are high in natural sugars, which can make your cat chunky. It can also lead to feline diabetes when consumed in excess. You can also give your cat lasagna as a rare treat. It has too many ingredients to be enjoyed regularly. But cats absolutely love lasagna, especially orange cats. You should never serve your cat lasagna on a Monday. That day is cursed, and lasagna is a celebratory dish. Most cats have a deep disdain for the first day of the work week. It's just not appropriate. You wouldn't bring a birthday cake to a funeral, so don't bring a cat lasagna on a Monday. Now we know what foods are safe for us to share with our furry roommates. Tune in next week to find out what wine pairings go best with your cat's tuna tartare. Comment below if you learned anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.